Best regard, my name is Juan Jose Trujillo Cardozo and today we're going to talk about an article named Prospects of Robotics in Food Industry. Robots in our daily life have been of great importance for the development and progress so fast that we as a society have. The different uses that we can give to these machines are very varied and effective when performing repetitive tasks or processes in industries of any kind such as agriculture, arms, automotive, textile, aerospace, and in this particular case in the food industry. The times of production, packaging, sealing, and shipping, they look drastically reduced thanks to this. In the article to be discussed, it can be seen that in recent years the acquisition of robots by the food industry has been increasing because the growing demand for the different products and services that companies offer. Already the human workforce is relegated to the background as it can be in the maintenance of this. In the same way, for reasons of a greater investment in personnel and a lower production in the same time in which a machine can do it in a even multiplied productions by a factor of 3. The different types of robots purchased in the food industry range from planting, water spraying, harvesting, processing, packaging, and distributing food products. The best known are the pick and place, from the English choose and place. Of course, none of this happens by magic. Robots are programmed based on different methods and algorithms used for the specific function that is required. The most common algorithms used to derive dynamics include Euler-Lagrange and Newton-Euler. The requirements that must be met in order to include robots in food production are specific and rigorous, especially with regard to hygiene, since otherwise we consumers would be exposed to different viruses and diseases. The machines in charge of these handling tasks, which are normally gripper systems, are washed with industrial detergents and hot pressure water. Some examples of robots that are already being applied to our society are robots in charge of preparing cakes, pizzas, customer service at the table, classifiers and placers of mini pepperoni, salami to later pack and distribute them. The conveyor belts where sushi chefs place their dishes and are exposed in front of customers thanks to the fact that they go through the entire establishment to taste them. It should be noted that it is also important to have suitable environments so that unauthorized personnel cannot interfere with the tasks or functions already programmed of the robots. Within the document, it can be evidenced that there are isolated rooms where the robots carry out their processes and are not accessible to human manipulation. Robots are also used in the palletizing and packaging of merchandise for greater efficiency, control, safety, productivity, and a better service for the company and its end customers. All this process can be observed, consulted, and analyzed through the cloud, on device, and computers designed for it. In conclusion, we can say that automation in the production process for the food industry has increased over time compared to the production systems that required the hand of man. Development and investment in this industry allows further research for future improvements in equipment, sensors, learning software, personal training, and integration of various types of technological areas to carry out competitive and innovative solutions for companies. Thanks for watching.